Okay, so we're today trying to figure out how to get x to equal a number. On the left-hand side, we have x over 4 equals 3 over 2. Okay, so what I would do is get x by itself. So x is not by itself, it's with a 4 right here. So this right here is technically saying 1 over 4. So what we need to do to get x by itself is multiply by its reciprocal. When you multiply by its reciprocal, you'll just multiply, and then it'd be 4 over 1, because that's what it is when it's reciprocal. Okay, so when you find the reciprocal, you bring it to both sides. So you'll do 4 over 1. Sorry, I'm left-handed. 4 over 1. Okay, so what you do to the left-hand side, you have to do to the right side. So this 4 and this 4 cancels, which brings you an x equals. Now, you can notice that the 2 and the 4 can cancel, not technically cancel, but simplify into a 1 and a 2. However, if you didn't catch that, you can always just bring it down. So it is 3 over 2 times 4 over 1. Okay, so what I would do is use my calculator. If you can't use your calculator, that's fine. I'll show you a different way to do it. Okay, so my calculator got 6. So it says that x equals 6. So if you did catch, I'm going to go back up here. If you did catch that 2 and 4 can simplify, it'll be 3 over 1 times 2 over 1. Okay, and you don't really have to keep the ones, but it's easier. So what you have right there is 3 times 2, which equals 6 for the first problem. And I mean, the first problem is always usually the hardest. The easiest, I do apologize. But, once you get into other problems, they seem a lot harder. So, I haven't worked these out, and I can mess up because, I'm human. But we're going to try this. These two together, and these two together. Which, I'm sure you could have done at number 1. Okay. So, let's see. So, it's 7m equals 3m plus 12. Okay. Okay, so what you could do with this one is you combine the like terms. So 7m and 3m are on the same side, or on different sides, I do apologize. And you need to combine them. So what I would do is subtract 3m from both sides, because what you do to the left, you have to do to the right. So it'd be 4m equals 12. Okay, to get m by itself, you would divide by 4. M equals 3. So all you would do is cross multiply and then add your like terms together, or subtract them depending on what you're doing, and then divide by the number, and then that's how you get m. Okay, so let's move on to number 9. We would do number 9 almost exactly the same. Well, actually, pretty much the same like we did number 7. So we would cross multiply. So 5 times x squared, x plus 2. So 5x plus 10 equals 3 times x plus 4. So 3x plus 12. Okay. So again, we would move the x's to the same side. 3x. So I'm subtracting it because this over here is a positive, and I want to move it on the other side of the equation. So that's why I'm subtracting it. So it'd be 2x plus 10 equals 12. Okay. Got to get rid of the 10. Got to subtract it on both sides. 2x equals 2, and then divide by 2 on both sides. It would be x equals 1. So that's how you would do proportions and trying to find x or whatever variable you need. And if you have any questions, just ask me, and I'll be more than happy to help you.